It's Andrea with High Commodity Fitness here. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys an ab and butt workout. This was a special request from one of my friends, so I'm making it happen. So this workout is going to be called Big Butt, No Gut. We're going to be doing exercises that's going to help tone and grow that butt and eliminate that gut. As far as the workout equipment that I'm going to be using, I am using my Victorum resistance band, 10-pound ankle weights per leg. My workout bench, if you guys don't have a workout bench, no worries. Use a chair from your house, use your sofa if your bed is low enough. Use that, child, but it's all about improvisation. I think that's the word. So with improvising, that's the word. So without further ado, let's get busy. So for our first exercise, we're going to do donkey kicks. We're going to do 3 by 15. I already have my resistance band on and it is above my knee. So let's get started. I'm using the wall to help me balance. And I'm going to be showing you guys 2 different views of the donkey kicks. So let's get started. Give me 15 now. Come on, y'all. Get that leg up. Here's a back view. 5 more. Woo! I am feeling that burn. Other side, give me 15. Get those legs up. Y'all should be feeling the burn, boo, because I do. Now we're going to move on to an ab exercise, and we're going to take it down to the ground. Okay, guys, we're about to start our first ab exercise. We're going to be concentrating on the obliques with this one. And we're going to do plank hip dips. And for the ab exercises, we're not going to concentrate more so on reps, the number of reps, but we're going to do timed reps. So we're going to do 3 sets of 30 seconds. So let's start our timer. Get in that plank position. And let's start. 30 seconds. Come on, y'all. Keep it going. 7 seconds. Woo! Woo, you guys are doing great. So now we're going to move on to another butt workout. So let's get ready. So with this exercise, we're going to do side kicks. So we're taking it back to our resistance bands. And again, I'm going to hold on to the wall to help me balance and just simply do a side kick out. And we're going to do 3 sets of 15. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, y'all. 13. 2 more. Switch sides. Give me 15. Kick out as far as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8. Y'all got this. 11. 3 more. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. I am feeling the burn, y'all. I am feeling the burn. Again, that's going to be 3 sets of side kicks. So for this next exercise, we're going to do reverse crunches. And you're going to keep your legs up, arms to the side, and you're just simply going to lift your butt up. And we're going to do 30 seconds of that also. You're going to lift your butt up. Make sure your butt is coming off the ground. Come on, y'all. Y'all can do this. 6 seconds. Woo! You guys need help up? Roll up with your knee. Whew. You guys are doing awesome. Okay, guys, so for this exercise, we're going to do one leg squats. This is more of a direct glute isolation exercise. So if you notice, I put my bench right here. I have my 10-pound ankle weights on, and we're just going to simply lift one leg up while we're doing this exercise, and we're going to squeeze at the top. So this is how it looks. And we're going to do 15. 2, squeeze at the top. 3, 4. Come on, y'all. 5, 6, 7. Y'all got this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 more. 13, 14, 15. Woo! Y'all. Squeeze that booty at the top. 2, 3. Keep that leg up. 4, 5, 6. Come on, y'all. 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all can do this. 4 more. 12, 13, 14. 1 more. Woo. Y'all, I am feeling that booty burn. Again, there's going to be 3 sets of 15. Woo, y'all. So for this next exercise, we're going to do Russian twist. I still do have my ankle weights on. I forgot to tell y'all, for the ab exercise, you can elect to keep your ankle weights on if you wish. So again, it's going to be timed. We're going to do 30 seconds, as many as we can within the 30 seconds, and we're going to do 3 sets of those. Go. Come on, y'all. Try to get those abs right. Get rid of that gut. 30 seconds. Y'all should be feeling the burn. Woo! Woo, Lord Jesus. Woo! Y'all. That's all I can say. Now we're going to get ready for our final butt exercise. I'm going to keep my ankle weights on. So let's go. So for this final butt exercise, we're going to do side lunge pulses. And we're going to do 3 by 15. So this is what that looks like. I'm going to give you guys 2 views, one from the side view and one from the back. So you're basically just going to step out, step wide, and then you're going to lunge to the side. You're going to pulse. Come on, guys. Pulse it. Come on, y'all. Again, that's 3 by 15. So now we're gonna move on to our last and final exercise. So guys, we're almost there. We're in the home stretch. That last ab exercise, and we're gonna do simple crunches. With this exercise, we're not gonna bend our legs. We're gonna keep our legs flat, our feet planted flat to the ground. We're gonna lay back, put our hands in the air. We're gonna do as many as we can within 30 seconds. Ready? Go. Come on, y'all. Think about those abs. Think about looking good on the beach this summer. Whew, it's burning. Ooh. Oh, Lord Jesus, we made it, y'all. We made it. Roll up. Hey, hey. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Hey, hey. Guys, that was a great workout. I appreciate your love and support. Like this video and subscribe to my page. Once this video gets to 200 views, I will bring you another video. Please comment down below in the comment section on a video you would like to see next, and I will deliver. Tell a friend to subscribe to my page. Again, I appreciate the love and support, and I look forward to bringing you guys more quality content, more quality workouts. So until next time, bye guys.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl.